How to create Grubhub account. In order to create a Grubhub account, you can follow these steps. First thing, you want to open up your respective app store. Also make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. On the search bar, type in Grubhub and install the app. After completely installing the app, click on the open button. Now you need to start creating your account, right? So basically, click on the sign in button at the bottom of the page. And what you need is you can either go ahead and continue with your Google, Amazon account, or Facebook, or email as well. So I'm going to go with the email in this case. After you type in your information, you'll then be proceeded to the next page where you need to create your password. As soon as you're done creating a password, you then need to go ahead and select a location. And once you've done this, you can go ahead and add in a delivery location, all that stuff. And this is how you'll have successfully created your Grubhub account. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.